Hi guys, I'm Dimeji, and today I'll be showing you on how to install Python on Windows 3, sorry, Windows 10. And for the purpose of this um, video, um, we'll be using the latest version of Python, which is Python 10.5. So we can go to python.org, which is here. Um, the link to this download is providing this is in the description of the video. So yeah, can move to Windows and we can download the latest version of Python and click on the download. And once it is done, yeah, it pops out this window. Then now we can click on Add Python 3.10 to parts. So the reason why we are doing this is if you don't do this, you have to manually do it yourself in setting up the environment. So just do this and it takes away that headache. So once this is done, we can click on install now and wait till the installation is done. Now our installation is done, so we can click on close. So to confirm that a Python is correctly installed and also it is correctly added to parts, we can press Command R, open a terminal. Once you open the terminal, just type Python. If Python is correctly installed, you will see this Python 3.10.5. If not, you will get an error that Python is not recognized as a command. So let's try to print our first program. Print hello. This is it. So in case you have any problem or you have any issue, you can comment down below and I can help you out with it. Thank you for your time.